Every day, over $7 trillion are traded in the Forex market. But have you ever wondered where it all started? This is the story of Forex. Hi, my name is Alyssa, and today I'm going to explain Forex from the very beginning. Not just how to trade, but how the entire market was created. Forex didn't start with apps or brokers or charts. It started with a trade. Thousands of years ago, people exchanged gold, silver, and currencies. Every country had different currency, and that's where all began. In the 1800s, the world moved into something called the gold standard. Every currency was backed by gold. This called stability, but also limited growth, because money supply depended on the gold reserves. After the World War II, the global economy needed structure. So, in 1944, the Bretton Woods system was introduced, and US dollar became the center, and the rest of the currencies were linked to it, and the US dollar were linked to gold. But in 1971, everything changed. The US removed the gold standard, and all the currencies started floating freely. This is where modern Forex was born. Prices started moving based on demand and supply. Today, Forex is the largest financial market in the world. Over $7 trillion are traded every single day. Banks, institutions, trades, it's all connected in one system. People trade Forex for one reason: opportunity. But here's the truth. This market rewards discipline, not emotions. If you want to start trading, start the right way. Learn first, build discipline, and choose the right platform. That's why serious traders choose XtremeMarkets. Subscribe to our channel